This video we are going to solve two simultaneous equation step by step. Please note that this is question 5 and question 6. I have already finished 1 to 4 question. If you want, please visit my channel and see previous one. Now let's get started. First we have to leveling this equation. First, number 5. If we leveling, it means 2x plus y equals to 7. We can make this one equation 1, and then 4x minus y equals to 5. This is equation 2. Now look here, this is plus y and here is minus y. So if we add this equation 1 and 2, we will get the value of x. So we can write like this: adding equation 1 and 2. So here is 2x plus y equals to 7, then 4x minus y equals to 5. So this plus y and minus y out. 4x plus 2x, it will be 6x, equals 7 plus 5, it will be 12 after addition. Now if we divide both sides by 6, we will get x equals to 12 by 6. 12 divided 6, it will be 2. So we can say x equals to 2. Okay, very simple. Now we will put this value. We will put this value, equation 1 and 2, anything. So we can write like this: putting x equals to 2 into equation what? Here is plus y and here is minus y. We can better use equation 1. So 2x plus y equals to 7. Now 2 times x means what? 2, and plus y equals to 7. Then 2 times 2 is a 4, plus y equals to 7. And now subtract both sides by 4. So y equals to 7 minus 4. It means 3. So our answer, x and y, will be 2 and 3. Very simple. So here is no confusion. If you want to checking, so if you check in here, like here is 2x plus y, 2x plus y. Look, 2 times x means 2 plus y means what? We already get y means 3, right? 3. So 2 times 2 is a 4, plus 3, it will be 7. So look, here is 7. This is equation 1 part. Another part, here is 4x minus y equals to 5. Now look, here 4 times 2 minus y means 3 equals to 5. Now look, 4 times 2 is a 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5, it will be what? Y means 3. 4 times 8, here is 3, right? 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3, here is 5 equals to 5. So our equation has done, because x2, y2 is perfect. So number 5 done. Now we will start number 6. Number 6. So first we make leveling like 2x plus 3y equals to 13, which is equation 1. Then x minus y equals to 4, which is equation 2. Now here we have to find out have any similarity or not. Look, here is 2x, it means 2 is a coefficient of x. Similar, here is x, so coefficient is 1. And equation 1, 3 is a coefficient of y and 1 is a coefficient of y of equation 2, but here is no similarity. So first we have to out, or we have to omit, we have to eliminate one variable, either x or y. Okay, so this case we can write like, if we multiply this equation 2 by 2, that case this x will be out. How? We can write like this: multiply equation 2 by 2 and subtract from equation 1. Okay, so equation 1 will be unchanged. This case 2x plus 3y equals to 13, and equation 2 will be multiplied by 2, so x become 2x minus y become 2y equals to 4 become 8. Okay, now here sign will be changed. It means this 2x become minus 2x, this minus become plus. So 2x minus 2x out, 3y plus 2y, it will be what? 5y equal. This 8 become minus, so 13 minus 8, it will be 5. Now once we divide both sides by 5, y equals to 1. So any equation, now we will put this value. So equation 2, we put y equals to 1. So x minus y equals to 4. Then x minus y means 1 equals to 4. Then x, once we add both sides by 1, it will be 4 plus 1, it means 5. So we can say x, y equals to 5 and 1. This is our answer. So now we will check. Number 6, in here equation 1, left side 2x plus y, 3y, 2 times x means 5 plus 3 times y means 1. So 10 plus 3, it will be 13. Look, right hand side also 13. Similar, this is equation 1, and what about equation 2? Here is left hand side x minus y, left hand side x minus y. X means 5 minus y means 1, so it become 4. So right hand side also 4. Okay, so this is very important question, because simultaneous equation you will face any kinds of examination, especially IGCSE grade 9 and 10, and common in all examination around the world. So my channel MathG, please subscribe my channel. Continue, I am trying to solve these kinds of math which will support your exam preparation. Thank you.